This is Oracle Tech Talks.tv podcast session 8 with Kashif Mansoor.
Welcome to the OTech Talks podcast, where it's all about working on Oracle technologies. You will hear the latest Oracle tech information, and your host, Kashif Mansoor, brings together product overviews, how-tos, best practices, tips and tricks, and troubleshooting techniques.
Hey, what's up? Today we are going to review Oracle and cloud computing. In session 7, we have understood basic concept behind Oracle computing, what are the definitions behind, and what are the different characteristics of cloud computing. In this session, we will form what Oracle is doing in cloud computing and what are the products they are offering on cloud. It's a generic session to cover different product offerings. The idea is to know what Oracle is contributing, and then in next sessions we will go through different products, how they are impacting our daily jobs or will impact our business, and how we should plan to go for cloud. So the simple definition of cloud computing, we can say it's a style of computing based on shared elastic resources delivered to users in a self-service, metered manner using web technologies. Yet, if we will speak to 5 different people, what is cloud computing, we can expect different answers. Why? Because what matters to them is not what cloud computing is, but what it does for them is matters to them. So we will quickly go through different products of Oracle. For example, platform as a service. If you want cloud-based platforms for developing and deploying applications known as platform as a service PaaS, we can go to Oracle and we can get platform as a service from Oracle. Like Oracle database that commands on-premise environment is now available in the cloud. Self-service and subscription-based Oracle Database Cloud offers instant provisioning and administrative control of our database schema as a service, database as a service. And even for virtual image or a dedicated virtual image for running an Oracle database instance, we can choose either database 11G or 12C. We can also go with Oracle WebLogic Server or Oracle Java Cloud, which will help us to create and fully provisioned complete application environment in the cloud. Other offerings are like messaging, mobile, documents, database backup, integration, business intelligence, big data, and Java Standard Edition. Another key offering from Oracle is like platform as a service, same way Oracle Cloud Infrastructure as a service. So Oracle Cloud Infrastructure as a Service offers a set of core infrastructure capabilities like elastic compute and storage to provide customers the ability to run any workload in the cloud. Oracle Cloud as a software service, that's called as SaaS, Oracle Cloud Software as a Service, is also offering from Oracle. So broadly, we are reviewing 3 categories. One, platform as a service, infrastructure as a service, and then software as a service. In software as a service, Oracle is offering human capital management system that's in covering core HR, profile, then work-life solutions, workforce management, human resource optimizations, and human resource analytics. So these are offering as a part of Oracle Human Capital Management System. Then Oracle is also offering customer experience, including marketing, sales, service, supply chain management like transportation and global trade management, inventory and costing. Then enterprise resource management, including financials, revenue management, accounting, hub reporting, project management, procurement. Then enterprise performance management covering planning and budgeting, enterprise performance reporting. In analytics, Oracle is offering HCM analytics, CRM, ERP, and SCM analytics. So these are different SaaS offerings from Oracle. Now, there's another offering from Oracle that is basically database as a service. That's called as Oracle Database in the Cloud. So what Oracle is offering, we can go for database schema service or virtual image or as a service. In that case, what it enables Oracle to deliver Oracle cloud services for Oracle 12c. Basically, Oracle Database 12c accelerates the journey to enterprise cloud with key features of multi-tenant architecture. So in this session, we will review multi-tenant capability which is being offered through Oracle 12c, and then we will also quickly go through on the cloud application SaaS model. Oracle Database 12c introduces a multi-tenant architecture that simplifies the process of consolidating databases into a cloud. It delivers all the benefits of managing many databases as one, yet retains the data isolation and resource prioritization of separate databases. The multi-tenant architecture enables the creation of one or more pluggable databases that we used to call as PDBs, pluggable databases, in a multi-tenant container database CDB. Applications use pluggable database we will usually call as PDBs exactly as they would use a dedicated database. So application will be able to leverage PDPs with no code changes. Most management operations are at the container database level, CDB level. So administrators can manage many PDBs with a single operation on the CDP level. This supports standardization because a single operation or configuration change is applied to every PDB in the CDP, preventing configuration change. The multi-tenant architecture provides a very efficient consolidation model since much of the overhead with very every database required in the past is now handled just once in the CDP. Strong isolation of PDP is available in several dimensions. For example, Database Resource Manager provides resource isolation. Each PDB may have its own encryption providing security isolation. Restricted administration privileges may be delegated to a PDB for administrative isolation. Oracle Database Vault and Oracle Audit Vault and Database Firewall are PDB aware, providing access control and consolidation of audit logs. The consolidated environment can be efficiently managed since many operations are at the container database level and apply to all the pluggable database within the CDB. Administrative and operational time are lowered and applied with reduced risks. Oracle Database software version, initialization parameters, and database properties are all at CDB level. Oracle Data Guard and scheduled RMN tasks are managed at the CDB level. PDBs can be provisioned very quickly. In many scenarios, a single command will complete the provisioning in a matter of even seconds. We can create a new PDB from a seed or cloud PDB, unplug from one CDB and plug into another CDB, which can be at a different version level, clone on a file system that supports thin provisioning. Migrating an Oracle database 11G database into a PDB is a straightforward task with a few simple steps. For workloads that require high availability, the CDB can be deployed with the Oracle Real Application Clusters rack. Each PDB can be made available on either every instance of the Oracle rack CDB or on a subset of instances. In any case, access to and management of the PDBs are regulated and using dynamic database services, which will also be used by application to connect to the respective PDB. So this way, another Oracle's great offering on SaaS side, that's software as a service on the application side, where we were using Oracle Business Suite from a long time, or a PeopleSoft, or a JD Edward, or any other application in our different environments. So let's quickly review how the applications or the enterprise resource planning evolved from number of years. In the beginning of 1990s, new software systems were surfaced, branded in the industry as enterprise resource planning systems for large complex organizations. These applications were proprietary systems and providing off the shelf solutions for organizations. However, consultants, vendors, or system integrators to tailor and implement them based on the organization requirement. Sometimes ERP systems were pushing companies to re engineer their business processes to accommodate the logic of the software modules for streamlining data flow throughout the organization. These software solutions, unlike the old traditional in-house designed company-specific systems, are integrated multi-module commercial package suitable for tailoring and adding any add-ons or any as a module whenever we required it. So that's the way we got concept of enterprise resource planning systems. These ERP systems were on-premises model, mean we were installing configuring in our office in our data centers, and then in early 2000 we have seen the influx of hosted solutions in which the platform is managed off-site but the software must be installed on end users computers. A third model have been heard recently in which the ERP system is provisioned from the cloud and accessed by end users via web browsers through internet. So that's the era where we are getting software as a service, as in a SaaS model. So, to summarize the basic difference between on premise ERP and cloud ERPs, on premise ERP solutions are installed locally on your hardware, servers, and managed by your IT team, while cloud ERP, also called SaaS, software as a service, is provided as a service. With this type of deployment, a company's ERP software are managed centrally in the internet, that's we call as cloud, by the ERP vendor and are accessed by customers using web browsers through internet. Oracle has launched Oracle Cloud ERP SaaS applications, which enables the business to implement immediately and at lower cost than with traditional on-premise implementation. So, is the cloud right choice for us? Not necessarily. And even when it is, there are several approaches IT leaders, executives should consider. What is required from SaaS application? Do we require today, or we need to start as a strategy within our organization to look forward for cloud opportunities and any application which is on premise and we want to migrate to SaaS application, or maybe some modules or functionality which is being offered in SaaS application and we want to implement that. So in that case, organizations can go with those modules on SaaS on cloud, and then those modules can be interlinked with, can be integrated with the on-premise application. So that's the model usually Oracle referred as coexistence model, where our on-premise existing already implemented applications are also part of our organization, and then in other new functionality which is being offered through cloud, we are using it. So with this session, we quickly reviewed three broad categories on the infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, and then software as a service offering from Oracle. And then we reviewed the feature of Oracle database, which is offering the Oracle database in the cloud, and then on the Oracle software as a service application side. Really appreciate. Thank you very much for listening to TechTalks.tv. Please feel free to leave your comments, or you can rate us on iTunes.
Thanks for listening to the O Tech Talks podcast and be part of Tech Talks at otechtalks.tv. It's a turf to share ideas, insights, and innovations.
www.otechtalks.tv/session8.